Hans has a vision for his perfect kitchen, but he couldn't get the cupboards in the style he wanted, at the quality he expected, for a price he could afford. Companies like that just don't exist, so he built one. 15 years later, and KTB's cupboards are found everywhere. If you have a vision for a dream kitchen, bedroom or bathroom, let Hans and the team bring it to life with their free 3D design service. Save up to 50%. Buy directly from the factory. Call us on 0861 582 000 or visit us online at ktbcupboards.co.za.
Assuming this is your car, it's your pride and joy. With all the little extras, the bells and whistles, it defines you. You're probably smiling right now. But do you get the same feeling when inside your home? Do your cupboards give you that thing? Be honest, you'll be going home soon. If not, visit KTB Cupboards to see how you can add a bit more vooma to your cupboards with savings of up to 50%. Visit ktbcupboards.co.za or call 0861 58 2000. KTB Cupboards, direct from the factory.
I won't be long, babe. Breakfast will be served as soon as I'm done with this door. I think it's best we go out for breakfast.
Tired of eating out due to your kitchen falling apart? Get the kitchen of your dreams. Call KTB Cupboards and save up to 50% on your kitchen cupboards. Send us your measurements and we'll design your dream kitchen for free. Call KTB Cupboards on 0861 582 000 or visit ktbcupboards.co.za. KTB Cupboards, direct from the factory.
This is our Holzmu HPP 250 beam saw. It uses diamond-tipped blades to cut the boards we feed into it with fraction of a millimeter accuracy. It has an integrated label printer which prints out each component name with the client name in order for you to know what position each item is allocated to. You will notice the screen indicates at which exact orientation the panels need to be inserted into the machine to allow for the correct sizes to be cut. The next stop for the boards are the edge banders. These machines, of which there are two, apply 0.4 mm and 2 mm edging to the visible cut edges of the panels. We apply the glue at a temperature of 195 degrees Celsius. This allows the edging to be bonded to the substrate permanently. The reason we do this is so the edges look neat and tidy in the final product, but it also offers a greater degree of protection to the wood but also the client, as these boards have very sharp cut edges. Our next step is the CNC machine. Pre-programmed patterns are loaded to allow minimal input from the operator. This allows for consistent and accurate manufacturing of our products. The CNC machine has multiple tooling bits on it that can drill, groove and router the panels to exacting specifications. The panels are held down on specialized suction cups which apply a very strong vacuum to the panel with no chance of it moving. Our final step in the manufacturing process is drilling the hinge holes. This machine simultaneously drills the pothole and the holes in which the dowels of our hinges fit. Our hinges are designed to press fit into these holes with the aid of a rubber mallet. The pattern drilling allows you to easily assemble the flat pack units with a screwdriver with minimal effort, all in the comfort of your own home. All these steps to make the process as user-friendly as possible. And finally, an overview of the factory.